In this video, we will show you how to transfer calls on ALE Myriad desk phones. M5s and M7s Pro are used as examples in this video. Connect the desk phones to the internet. Dial the number of the front desk phone. Take the call. Press the transfer key. Input the target number and press the B transfer key to blind transfer the call. The target number answers. Blind transfer succeeds. Now let's see how to operate attend transfer or consult transfer. Dial the number again. Take the call. Press the transfer key. Input the target number. Press the OK key or call key. Take the call on the ringing target phone. Make a conversation to inform an incoming call. Press transfer key to complete the operation. Now, the conversation is established on the original and target number. Attended or consult transfer succeeds. The last type of a transfer is semi-attend transfer or semi-consult transfer. Follow the same steps of attend transfer to transfer an incoming call. When the target phone is ringing, press the transfer key directly to complete the operation. Take the call on the ringing target phone. Now the call is transferred to the target number. Semi-attend transfer or semi-consult transfer succeeds.